Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change clock in your Android phone. Now, if you want to change clock on the home screen, just touch and hold on the home screen. And at the bottom, you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets. And then scroll down and look for clock option. Here it is. Then just tap on clock. And that's it. Here you can see 4 kinds of clock. And you can set any clock on the home screen as you like. Now, if you want to set this digital clock on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen, and it's done. Now if you want to delete your previous clock, just touch and hold it again, then tap on remove, and you can see it's removed successfully. Now if you touch and hold it, then tap on settings. From here you can customize your clock. You can change your clock background. You can set white or black color, then tap on save, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change clock in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe